Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HyperX headset to PC, quick fix step by step clearly. Start by ensuring that your HyperX headset is fully charged or plugged into a power source. Locate the USB or audio jack of your headset. For USB headsets, find an available USB port on your PC. For wired headsets with a 3.5mm audio jack, locate the corresponding audio input ports on your computer. Insert the USB connector into the USB port. If you are using a 3.5mm jack, plug it into the headphone port, typically colored green. Once connected, your PC should automatically recognize the headset. To ensure proper detection, right-click on the sound icon in your system tray. Select Playback Devices from the menu. Check the list for your HyperX headset. If it is not listed, right-click in the window and select Show Disabled Devices. If it appears, right-click your headset and select Enable. Next, right-click it again and choose Set as Default. To test your headset, play audio from your computer. If you can't hear sound, check the volume levels on your PC and the headset. Also, ensure that the headset's mute function is not activated. If you are using a wireless model, ensure it is powered on and the battery is charged. You may need to press the pairing button on your headset for it to connect. Open the Bluetooth settings on your PC and select Add Bluetooth or other device. Choose Bluetooth, and your PC will search for available devices. Select your HyperX headset from the list to connect. Once connected, return to the sound settings and set your headset as the default device. Your HyperX headset should now be successfully connected and ready for use. Enjoy your audio experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.